will I suffer through all this motherfucking pain? But my fucking brain, I don't wanna live. Life has always been a fucking game. I'm still feeling all the shame. I don't wanna carry on, bury me without a trace. And I'm tired of feeling lost, trying to figure out my place in this fucking hell where my demons dwell. Lost up in my fucking past, wonder when the ship will sail. Take me to a better world, maybe in a different route. I was looking lost, now I'm back, ready just to kill.